Hey guys, friends and pilots, and today is going to be a quick unboxing video of this Beta 75X Tiny Whoop style drone. So this one comes with the Crossfire module, has a fairly large 1103 brushless motors. This one also has a F4 flight controller board, as well as ESCs that are rated at 10 amps up to 15 peak times, and also has a Z02, the new camera by Beta FPV, that has three power output modes: 0 milliwatt, 25 milliwatt, and 200 milliwatt, and all adjustable through smart audio. So this is really cool. I'm really excited about this drone. So let's open this up and see what's inside. All right. I really like the packaging of this drone. It's really well packed, and it looks kind of like packaging that Apple offers, and it's really nice and neat and really clean. It's way better than, say, some of the Ishin drones, and you know, even better than, I think, better than like Mobula 7 from Happy Model. And yeah, it's a really cool box. I like it. So in here we get a extra set of props. And then these are 40 millimeter 4-bladed props with a, I think it's a 1.5 millimeter shaft diameter. All right, I get an extra canopy. That's really nice. All right, and this is the drone itself. Let's see. Yeah, it's really well packed, and I'm really impressed. Beta FPV did a great job in this. So thank you, Beta FPV. Okay, so here's the drone itself. Yeah, so these are 1103. I don't know if you guys can see it. 1103 size motors with 11,000 kV. It has a LED board in the back. They also gave us one of these 350 milliamp hours battery. It's a 2S battery with a XT30 connector, which is really nice. So this connector doesn't sag as those red connectors, JST, whatever they're called. So this one's rated for, I think, up to 30 amps. Balance plug in here. Yeah, we have a Crossfire module down there. It's really nice. I'm really excited to see, like, you know, how far I can go on this Tiny Whoop. With a good thing, it also has a 250 milliwatt video transmitter. Actually, it's a 200 milliwatt, not 250. So that's exciting. Hopefully, like, I'm gonna get like some good range. And the thing about this one, see, it has a stack, it has an ESC board, and it has a flight controller just on top of it. Let's take the canopy off and see what's inside of this drone. Oh, this is very nice. So the camera mount is some soft material. So I know they used to send previous generation with like a 3D printed, like hard plastic, and when I saw and I heard stories whenever people would crash and hit the camera, it would either break the camera or the mounts, because it was like a hard plastic, so it wouldn't absorb any hard hits. But this one is a yeah, this one seems better because it's soft, and it would absorb like hard hits and hopefully protect the camera. So this is the VTX, and then it's connected through the pins here. I've got to say, it's a very well assembled quad. Like the quality of like the boards and stuff is very well made. You buy VTXs and stuff from Banggood and stuff, and they're all like, you know, you look at the parts, they're all crooked and everywhere. This one's actually really well made. I like it. Okay, let's take a look what's to be the same everywhere. So That's how it is. Okay, so this is, we can remove this. Yeah, camera also looks like really, oops, really well made. Yeah, I like it a lot. Alright, okay. So yes, we see, so this is a beta flight OSD. These are the ESCs. Just like I said, these are 10 amps. 10 amps ESC is rated, and then they go up to 15. So these are the connectors. It's really nice actually, because you can, if something goes wrong, and then, or if you want to swap the motors, because I mean these are like, I'm assuming these are going to be like really power hungry motors. 1103, like you have to fly 2S and like with some big capacity batteries, because otherwise I'm assuming the sag is going to be like crazy, because I mean these are really big size motors, because Modular 7 uses 0802 motors, I believe, and then Yishin trash can has a 0803 motors, and then so this one is 1103, so this is like way bigger than anything else. This is almost the size of Beta 85X. That one uses 1105, I think, motors. So this is like actually really, really big for a tiny whoop style quad. And then just like I said, so you can swap them for, if you think these are too big, you can go with the, I think the Pro frame, the one that's a little bit smaller, and you can put 0803 motors in it, which are like a little bit more efficient. So this is our Crossfire module. Right here, Crossfire and Nano. And I like how they put a heat shrink around it, and then yeah, and then antenna, you see it doesn't go like right out of it, it just goes, makes a small loop and then comes out, which is a good thing. So in case it's gonna get pulled down, like it's not gonna rip out the I think this is a UFL connector. So that's a good thing. That's a good packaging for the receiver. Yeah, really good. I like it. I wanted to like disconnect one of the motors, but I don't know. Yeah, these are like, if something goes wrong, it's really easy to replace. You just get a board or get a motor, unplug them here, plug new motors in, and you're set. That's it. Yeah, it looks really nice. I like it. Alright guys, and just I've been looking at it for a couple of minutes, and just wanted to give you like a quick summary of it. I'm really impressed with the build quality. It's really well made. I mean, all the elements are like straight up, and then there's no like, you know, like you get that like Chinese VTXs in there, like all these like capacitors and resistors, they're like all over the place, they're like all crooked and stuff. Not the case with this one. This one is like really well made, and there's like markings on it, and the how these components are put together on the board, but there's no extra solder or anything like that. It's all very straight and looking very nice. I'm really impressed. I like it. Yeah, the VTX looks really nice too, because you can see like it's wire connected, so like, I mean, just like in case you take a hard hit, like the older versions had pins, so the camera would get bent like back and forth, and then, you know, like obviously if you're gonna keep hitting things, it's not gonna last very long, and eventually those pins are gonna snap. With wires, like that's just flexible and nothing's gonna happen. And then just like I said, like this mount is soft, so hopefully it'll protect the camera from just breaking completely, so that should be good. Just like I said, these are 1103s, fairly large, but they seem to be like really well made too. Like I don't see any like play, maybe just a little bit. Yeah, just a tiny little bit, not a lot. I think that's acceptable. Yeah, this one's better. This motor is like, so this one has a little bit of play. This one has a little bit too. That one just a little bit as well. This one doesn't really play at all. Yeah, I don't think that's gonna affect anything. Yeah, so overall really well made drone, and just like I said, 1103 with Crossfire, 200 milliwatt camera output. I'm hoping to get some distance covered with this one, so I'll show you guys videos of this thing flying later. And yeah, I'm really excited. So I'm looking forward to see how this thing flies around. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching. Hit that like button if you liked the video, if you found it helpful. Subscribe if you like it, and yeah, I'll talk to you in the next one.